Video shows utility of functions in MS Excel. So before starting the video, I'd like to say that if you like the video at the end, then hit the like button and comment on the video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and click the notification bell icon for regular updates. In MS Excel, not only we can enter a formula that perform basic mathematical operations, but also we can use a library of built-in worksheet functions to do much more than that. Now, MS Excel has a vast library of built-in worksheet functions. You can find it in the formulas tab. So, as we see that Excel has a vast library of different built-in functions that are used to calculate mathematical operations as well as other trigonometrical, logical, financial. So we have all kinds of function that are available in MS Excel to perform the calculations. Now let's visualize this one. Now a series of numbers has been entered in the range from B2 to B7. So suppose we have to calculate the addition of these values. So and the result will be displayed on the cell B9. So if we are using the formula manually, what we will do, we will select each and every individual cell and then hit the plus button from the keyboard like this way and hit the enter button to calculate the result. So this process is basically a time consuming and it takes a lot of effort, and definitely there are chances to make an errors while typing such a long formula. So instead of using this formula, we have a function, a built-in function that is available in the function library. Using the function, we can also calculate the sum of the numbers in this cell range. So in that case, we will use the function, which is basically, we know that the function name is sum, or it can available here also. Mathematics function, the sum is this one. The sum function is available here. So we have to select the range. Now the range that I'm selecting from B2 to B7 and hit the OK button from the keyboard. Yes. So it evaluates the same result, but here we have to type such a long formula which is very takes a lot of effort and time consuming. Instead of using the formula, we can use the built-in function that are available in MS Excel to calculate the result.